Have you ever struggled to efficiently query deep, complex relationships in your data, like finding all descendants in a vast family tree or navigating a deeply nested category structure? It can be surprisingly tricky to manage these hierarchical datasets, especially when performance is critical. The nested set pattern is an excellent choice for modeling hierarchical data in a database when read operations for descendants or ancestors are significantly more frequent than write operations, such as insertions, deletions, or updates. This pattern excels at quickly retrieving entire subtrees or paths without recursive queries, offering a performance advantage for specific use cases. The core mechanism of the nested set pattern involves assigning each node in the hierarchy a left and a right numerical value. These values representing an interval, such that a node's children and all their descendants will have left and right values that fall entirely within the parent's interval. This clever numbering scheme allows a single query to retrieve all descendants of a node by simply checking if their left value is greater than the parent's left value and their right value is less than the parent's right value. It essentially flattens the hierarchical structure for efficient traversal. To leverage this pattern effectively, first assess your application's read-write ratio for hierarchical data. If you frequently need to display full category trees, permission structures, or complex organization charts, and updates to these structures are infrequent, the nested set pattern is likely a strong candidate. Consider the complexity of your hierarchy as well. Deeper trees benefit more from the pattern's optimized read performance. One insider detail is that the nested set pattern introduces the concept of a closure table implicitly by storing the relationship directly within the nodes themselves, rather than in a separate mapping table. This allows for very fast path queries and subtree extractions. While it shines in read-heavy scenarios, remember that modifications like adding a new node or moving a branch can involve renumbering a large portion of the tree, which can be computationally intensive. Tools and database extensions sometimes exist to help manage these renumbering operations more efficiently. Ultimately, choosing the nested set pattern means prioritizing lightning-fast reads over potentially slower writes in your hierarchical data model. It offers a robust solution for scenarios where displaying and traversing complex tree structures quickly is paramount, providing a foundational understanding for building highly responsive applications that interact with hierarchical information.
If this helps you code smarter, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.